Titu Jerome, a life convict in the sensational Kevin murder case, has been shifted to Thiruvananthapuram Medical College Hospital after he was allegedly beaten up at the Pujapura Central Jail. The High Court had earlier directed the district judge to conduct an urgent inquiry into a habeas corpus petition filed by Titu's father, who said he had no information about his son for the last few days. The single bench, which issued a stern warning to the jail authorities, directed the jail DGP to submit a report on Saturday. Titu Jerome, the ninth accused in the Kevin murder case, is serving a life term at Pujapura Central Jail. In his petition, Titu's father stated that he had no information about his son and suspected that he had been beaten up by prison officials. Following this, Justice Vinod Chandran directed the Thiruvananthapuram district judge to visit the jail and conduct an inquiry. He also asked the district medical officer and the jail IG to urgently visit Titu and report about his condition. Following this, the three visited the jail and it was found that Titu had been beaten and had internal injuries. He was then shifted to Thiruvananthapuram Medical College Hospital on the instructions of the district judge. The district judge immediately informed the High Court about Titu's condition. The court considered the petition and ordered that jail authorities need not be present at the hospital and police should be sufficient to ensure Titu's safety. The High Court will hear the father's habeas corpus petition on Monday. Kevin's murder is the first honor-killing case registered in Kerala. As per prosecution case, Kevin P. Joseph, son of Joseph Jacob alias Rajan, hailing from Platharail House, Nattasheri near Kottayam, was abducted and murdered by a gang led by Sianu to break the victim's relationship with Sianu's sister Neenu Chako. 2 days before the death, Kevin and Neenu had filed a joint application for marriage. While Neenu was sent to a hostel thereafter, Kevin shifted to the residence of Anish Sebastian, one of his relatives at Gandhinagar. In the early hours of May 27, 2018, Kevin and Anish were abducted from here and Anish was let off later. However, Kevin's body was recovered from a stream near Chaliekara, near Thenmala in the morning. The case was investigated by DYSP Girish P. Sarathi and CS Ajayan appeared for prosecution. The court had convicted 10 among 14 accused, including Sianu Chako, the brother of Kevin's fiancée Neenu Chako. The other persons convicted in the case are Niyaz Moon alias Chinnu, Ishan Ismail, Riyaz Ibrahim Kuti, Manu Muralidharan, Shifin Sajad, N. Nishad, Titu Jerome, Fasil Sharif alias Apus and Shanu Shahjahan. The court observed that IPC section 302 and 364A would stand against all the convicts. The court acquitted 4 accused, including Neenu's father, Chako John, for want of evidence. Pronouncing the judgment, the court approved the prosecution's argument that racial prejudice was the motive behind the youth's murder. The Principal Sessions Court Kottayam sentenced all the 10 accused who were found guilty in the Kevin murder case to double life imprisonment. The order also said that the sentences should run concurrently. Each of them was also fined Rs 40,000. Of this, Rs 1 lakh should be given to Anish Sebastian, the first accused, as compensation. The remaining amount should be equally divided between Kevin's father and fiancée, the court had said. If the fine is not paid, their vehicles should be confiscated, the court had added. News Desk, Kaumudi English.